Hi, and welcome once again to Air Engine Research. Today I'm going to talk about what I've been doing over the past couple of weeks, working with the parts. Most of the parts I have completed, and I've been putting things together, looking at it to see if there's something that I can change to make it better, or fix any little problems that I can find when trying to assemble it. I found a number of times where one of my bolts maybe hits something underneath that I didn't expect. Have to change some of the positions, and sometimes it's making a complete area change so I can at least make the overall engine the way that I want. It's been pretty cold, and I haven't been able to work on it every day. And I've also had a few medical problems that I had to have taken care of, which required me to stay in the house for a while. So I'm back in business, so things are coming along okay. I still have to have some cylinders redone that cracked when they were welded the last time. And I had to make a few changes to the mounting plate that goes to the transmission. I had problems getting it to line up inside the transmission housing. A couple of the bolt holes that I measured didn't quite come out to where I could get the bolts in. I had to take it back apart and drill out the hole a little bigger to allow me to put it into the machined groove and then put in the bolts. But I hope that's taken care of now. So tomorrow, if the weather's nice, I'm going to mount that bracket and see if I can measure the distance from where the transmission pilot shaft comes out and my air engine drive shaft adapter goes onto that pilot shaft. I need to know how far it sticks out into the adapter plate so that I can make the drive shaft the right length. So tomorrow that'll probably be my major effort. I know it's taken me a long time to get this put together, but nothing good comes easy, and it takes sometimes more time than I think it's going to make a part or machine something. So that's where I am as of now, and if you're interested in seeing more of my videos, please subscribe, and you'll be notified if you click the little notification symbol each time a new video comes out. And for you longtime subscribers, thank you once again for checking in. And like I said before, be patient. It's coming along, but just not quite there yet. So till next time.